Let me ask you a question. Are you looking for a secure and passive way to diversify your portfolio? Hi, I'm Jordan Fisher, the managing partner of Inspire Capital. I co-manage a private real estate-backed mortgage pool fund called Inspire Investment Fund 1. We help accredited investors to deliver secure, reliable, double-digit returns through real estate without the headaches associated with owning real estate. There is a difference. Most accredited investors stockpile their cash in low-risk, low-yield, paper income investments like bonds or equities, even savings accounts, because of their passive nature and ease of investment. And when they think of diversifying their portfolio into other investments that earn a greater return or add more stability to their portfolio, like real estate, they believe finding such investments often takes time, expertise, their active involvement, and may present considerable risk to their portfolio, and they're often right. Our mortgage pool fund, Inspire Investment Fund 1, solves these challenges for investors. Similar to the concept of crowdfunding, our fund leverages the large buying power gained from multiple investors together into a fund. We then use the fund's capital to make short-term, well-secured mortgage loans to experienced real estate investors who renovate and redevelop single-family and multifamily properties across the country. The fund's capital is secured primarily by first-position mortgages that are underwritten at conservative loan-to-value ratios on properties that are improving from day one, thereby lowering the risk substantially. One of the principal advantages of working with a mortgage pool fund is that its capital is secured by multiple loans across the entire portfolio. This greatly enhances the security of your investment, thereby reducing the traditional private money risk of loaning on only one property. And the fund's capital works 24/7 to earn consistent returns no matter how much money you have invested in the fund. You get real returns paid quarterly, not paper gains that fluctuate daily or an equity position in any one property. That's the power of working with our experienced team at Inspire Capital. Right now, our investors earn 12% net annual gains securely and passively. And this year looks to be another great year for Inspire Capital. But in order to keep our quality and service as high as possible, we have to make sure we're a good fit to work together. If you enjoy getting tenant calls in the middle of the night, we're probably not right to work together. And if you like paying property taxes or gambling for higher returns, we're probably not a good fit. And if you're satisfied with the paper gains of Wall Street, I don't want to waste your time any further. This fund is about real returns, not paper gains. However, if you want secure and passive returns backed by real property and like to have an experienced team handle the heavy lifting, we'd love to talk with you. And we even have options for self-directed IRA and tax-sheltered investments that will turbocharge your portfolio. So if you'd like to diversify your portfolio with low-risk, high-yield investments backed by the most trusted method of building secure wealth utilizing real estate, please contact me directly at 626-788-9700. We can schedule a call or sit down for a coffee or lunch to go over your financial needs and see if we're a good fit together. Call me old-fashioned, but I'd like to meet every investor in person before doing business together. Oh, and also look out for a personal invitation from me for one of our happy hour investing events at some of my favorite restaurants in Los Angeles and Orange County. I look forward to doing business together and making this year your most profitable year ever.